Okay, we're filming. Did you know small businesses make up more than 89% of the workforce in America? Did you know there are over 30,000 small businesses within San Antonio? With the sheer amount of small business, it's a wonder more nonprofits don't contribute solely to small businesses. I have done extensive research on the amount, the sustainability, and the benefits of small businesses in order to propose that 10-Bit Works Makerspace contribute more to local small businesses to help boost the economy, help the environment, and further fulfill our mission. First, I'll discuss what a small business is. The Small Business Administration's Office of Advocacy defines a small business as having less than 500 employees. And they said that 28.8 million small businesses were in the U.S. in 2013. Now, the Texas Governor's Office defines a small business as having less than 100 employees. And a study by the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce here in San Antonio in 2008 showed that there were over 39,000 small businesses within San Antonio. So because of these vast options, we can satisfy our needs. Obviously, some larger equipment, more specialized equipment we can't get locally, but most everything we can do locally. You might wonder, are small businesses worth investing in? Small businesses are actually quite stable. According to a Small Business Administration study in 2010, 2/3 of small businesses survive past 2 years, and 50% of small businesses survive past 5 years. Also, according to the Small Business Administration, small businesses accounted for 63.3% of net new jobs between the third quarter of 1992 and 2013. And according to the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce study done in 2012, regions with greater entrepreneurial growth have been associated with higher levels of innovation and technology use, and states that promote new firm formation through public policy are more likely to experience higher employment, incomes, and overall output. Now, how do small businesses match up to corporations? Well, they match up on two accounts: economic impact and environmental protection. When it comes to local economic impact, a study done in Salt Lake City, Utah in 2012 showed that $1 spent at local small businesses stayed within the local community. And more specifically, the Local Works West Michigan economic analysis showed that of every $100 spent at local small businesses, about $73 stayed within the community. And according to Michael H. Schuman, a globally recognized community economics expert, local small business communities contribute to tourism and growth by encouraging people to visit and live in towns where there are small business hubs that can be walked or biked to. And that goes further into how we can help protect the environment. According to a research study by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, businesses that locate in smart growth places can help protect environmental resources. For example, by reducing air pollution from vehicles, by encouraging walking, bicycling, or taking transit, building more compactly to protect ecologically sensitive land, or incorporating natural ways of collecting and filtering stormwater runoff. And the EPA's definition of small growth places are locations with housing and transportation options, a mix of uses close together, and a high quality of life. And according to the Office Depot, a small business index in 2012, 82% of small businesses are going greener by recycling. 70% of small businesses anticipate going green within the next couple years. And in 2009, Texas was ranked number 2 in the nationwide nationwide in the number of renewable energy jobs, which was a 15% growth increase from 1998 to 2007. Last but not least, supporting small businesses actually helps Tinbit Works Makerspace to further fulfill its mission. We all know there's a growing maker movement within Texas, and it's catalyzed by maker sole proprietorships, micro businesses, and other small businesses. And according to a study by National League of Cities, Etsy, Recast City, and the Urban Manufacturing Alliance, maker-developed small businesses make up 75% of public sector employers. So as you can see, Tinbit Works can easily accommodate its needs through local small businesses, and by doing so, it can help the environment, help the local economy, and further fulfill its mission.